Morning, motherfuckers. So it's about 6:30 in the morning. Just woke up. Spent my first night in a shelter. 3 other hikers were in there. It was pretty cool sleeping in a shelter. I actually feel a shitload safer from bears because you're actually surrounded by 3 walls. Body feels good besides the normal hurting soreness like I've had every morning. But that all goes away when I'm done being a bitch. Let's get packed up, let's get some breakfast, let's get on trail. Let's do it. All right, fuckers, so what's going on? So we got about 8 miles to go today on the Appalachian Trail to the next shelter. We're all packed up. Let's get it on, let's get going. Ready to rock and roll. Last night stayed at the shelter there, Mt.Collins shelter. Pretty nice place. It actually had a nice little outhouse in it. I did not use, but it was nice. I went and looked at it. Pretty awkward staying in a shelter with other hikers, just because I'm a antisocial kind of weird fuck, and you know, I'm out here to be by myself. You're forced to go sleep in the shelters on the Appalachian Trail. It's just fucking weird. It's just stupid. I don't like it. It's awkward, weird. All nice people, all great people. And I'll probably see them again. But it's just not what I like to do. Newfound Gap, 4.3 miles. That's our first stop. So 4.3 miles from Newfound Gap. And then after that, it's about another 3 miles to get to the shelter. Something like that. So I'll be in another shelter, probably with the same fuckers that I was in the shelter with, because they're all going this way. But whatever. It's a beautiful day on the trail, man. Beautiful day out here. Show you guys a little bit right now. Stay tuned. Ski! What it looks like when you come out of the woods. Newfound Gap.
So many people.
What up, fuckers? So what you just saw back there was a Newfound Gap. We're back on the AT right now. 2.8 miles to the shelter I'm gonna stay at tonight. It's 1,000 feet of elevation climb in those 2.8 miles, which is not bad. I have plenty of time for the rest of the day once I get there just to relax. I gotta let my tent dry out because it's soaked for the last 2 days. Let's get on trail here and knock these 2.8 miles out. Ski-yee! Oh, bud, how you doing?
Doing good, man.
What up, fuckers? So much for drying my fucking tent out, huh? It's fucking pouring like fucking A. I got about 2 more miles. Straight uphill though. So we're getting there. See you at the top.
That's not a waterfall you're looking at. That's the trail. It's turned into a fucking river. More trail. After walking about 2.5, 3 miles in the rain, the sun finally coming back out. There's the trail there. It's been a pretty rough walk in the rain with these rocks, but we're almost done. The shelter is less than a quarter mile up here. It's probably right around this corner. I'm gonna warm up because I am freezing cold all the way down to my fingertips to my toes. I really got to get in some warm clothes and warm up. So let's get down to this shelter and set up for the night, get some sleep. See you motherfuckers there. Icewater Springs shelter. Let's go check it out.
What's going on, fuckers? So we're out here at Icewater Springs shelter, spending the night out here. It's got a beautiful view. Got good company here. Ran into really good people out here. Very inspirational people that hike. My dream of hiking. This man hikes for a living on YouTube and with all the other guys that are big inspirations in my life in as far as hiking. So it's actually really cool to meet someone like that and listen to him and hear his stories, see his pictures, and see the world of hiking from his point of view. It's really cool. I'm gonna go back up to the shelter now and hang out up there, eat some dinner in a little while. It's still early. It's only about 5:30. So just kind of hanging out in the woods right now. I got a beautiful view up there in the shelter, and I'm on vacation, bitch.
If you don't want to take a shit in the woods, this is where you come to do your business. You got mulch, poop. I would rather shit in the woods.
Yo, so I'm gonna be going to bed here, signing out. It's been a wonderful day. Gonna be another wonderful day tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.